Welcome to RealPage Economy Express, where we bring you the latest in economic trends and insights. We are covering a range of essential updates, so let's dive in. Starting with the job market, September showed a steady performance. Job openings held at 7.4 million, only slightly down from the previous year. The ADP National Employment Report also provided a positive outlook, showing private sector employment growth with 233,000 new jobs in October and annual pay up by 4.6%. Meanwhile, initial unemployment claims for the week ending October 26 dropped by 12,000 to 216,000, underscoring a continued strong labor market. Shifting to consumer sentiment, confidence indicators show a bounce back. The Conference Board's Consumer Confidence Index rose sharply in October, climbing to 108.7 from September's 99.2. This boost marked the most significant monthly gain since March 2021. Consumers' assessments of current business and labor market conditions turned more optimistic, reflecting better job availability and confidence in future income. Turning to the housing sector, there were mixed results. New residential construction in September saw privately owned housing units authorized by building permits at an annual rate of 1,428,000, down 2.9% from the previous month. Single-family housing starts, however, edged up by 2.7% from August, showing resilience. On the sales side, pending home sales rose by 7.4% in September, the highest level since March, while existing home sales slid slightly by 1% from August, indicating a cautious but steady demand trend. Meanwhile, the S&P CoreLogic Case-Shiller Index reflected a 4.2% annual home price gain in August, signaling continued growth in home values. In the broader economic picture, real GDP rose at a solid 2.8% annual rate in the third quarter, a modest step down from the second quarter's 3%, but still robust. This growth was powered by consumer spending and federal government investments, particularly in defense. However, a decrease in residential fixed investment and private inventory investment somewhat moderated this expansion. Finally, in inflation news, September's personal consumption expenditures price index increased by 0.2%, maintaining a 12-month inflation rate of 2.1%, aligning closely with the Fed's target. The core PCE, which excludes food and energy, rose by 2.7% annually, reflecting stability in inflation levels. Now, notably, consumer spending also showed resilience, increasing by 0.5% in September, driven by service-related purchases as goods prices fell by 0.1%. Now, the latest inflation report arrives just ahead of the upcoming FOMC meeting in November. Although markets are betting on a rate cut, recent economic data suggests the Fed may hold steady. We'll be watching closely to see how this unfolds. Thanks for joining us on RealPage Economy Express. We'll see you next time.